Saan to ba?
Hi, good evening. Welcome aboard. 17A, it's on your right side. Yung number, ma'am, nasa overhead din.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat.
Seventeen A.
Check na namin si para ano na lang.
Palit po?
Oo, palit kayo. Pwede na. Tapos number. Yes.
70.
Yes. Yes, dito po yung seat.
Saan po yung A? Doon?
Sa
Ay, salamat na. Ako sa mga.
Kuya, tayo sila mo. Depende.
Ay, tayo po.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices, such as laptops,